All right, guys, got to work starting to do some buffing on the welds. Here's the before and then the after, and these are before they're washed but not buffed out, and then here's the after. Not perfect. That's probably only like 2 minutes with the power cone or the power ball here, and just some old mother's mag polish I had. So it's actually worked pretty good. Not a lot of polishes out pretty good. So I got here's some new center caps I just came in today versus the old ones that are kind of dull. So this should look pretty decent when we're done. So I got that one done. I am going to swap out to the metal valve stem here, which I've got on this one here. The metal valve stem, I'm going to have these on all four. This one's pretty much buffed out also. But I'm waiting to mount the rim. I've got the new for my tire changer. I've got a new you already see it's got a little tiny bit of damage on there. I may try to clean that up a little bit, but I've got the new duckbill attachment for my tire changing machine. So that's plastic. It won't scar this up. So that should be in tomorrow, and then I'll continue working on the wheels. But for now, I'll probably try to buff these two front ones out. The back ones, these are all cleaned up. This is the back. These were completely black and rusty as far as brake dust and iron. So used a 3N Scotch pad with soapy water, Dawn soap water, and the 3M pad, and got the backs cleaned up. And then again, I got spray. I'm using spray wax on the back of the wheels so the brake dust won't stick to it so easy. And then I'll probably take the buffer on it too, make it as smooth as possible and slick so it won't stick. So that's the update. Got the center caps in today. These do take a shank lug nut, so I've got those on order with a washer. And I got open-ended shanks, so I can go to 3-inch studs and they'll go on. And then that is where we're at so far. I do have some new front runners coming for these, but they're just the skinny radials like the VW tires for street driving. So I'll put those on there for now, and then we'll see kind of what the racing season looks like next year. But these are definitely way lighter than they were, and going to a 10-inch wide rim, it really flattens out the rim, stretches it out a little bit on the side compared to the 8-inch rim. 8-inch rim is more curved on the top. These are my 15 by 8s. I think these are Vision wheels. They're just inexpensive, but they'll get the job for your first set of drag tires. But yeah, I think the 10-inch is going to be better for the track. It's going to flatten out this surface, give a little more section width. So, and these are both 10.5-inch. This one just happens to be, this is a 27-inch QuickTime Pro, which is DOT. It's DOT certified, so you can legally drive that on the street. And then these are DO6s. These are 26 by 10s, or 10.5. I think they're both 20. I think they're 10s. I'm not sure if this is a 10.5. But anyway, I like. I should have got 10-inch rims, 10-inch wide rims a while ago. They just seem to look like they stretched the tire out and a little flatter on the top there. So that's the update, guys. Hope everybody's having a great night, and we'll continue cleaning up these weld wheels, and should have the new front runners in pretty soon. I'll get the valves. I'll get these taken. Well, I'll get these taken off tomorrow. Try to work on the curb. The curb. These got a little bit of curb rash. I'll try to clean that up a little bit. I think both of them have a little bit. Let's see. Here's the other one. Oh yeah, this is the worst one right here. So I might have to sand on that a little bit, polish it out. This one's not so bad. So we'll go from there, guys, to get these all polished up. All right, thanks, everybody. Hope you're having a great night.